improve the quality of its comment section, popular picture sharing app Instagram is testing a new feature that allows users to downvote or dislike comments on the platform. The feature that appears as a button next to comments on Instagram's feed posts and Reels was recently noticed by several users. Taking to Threads, Instagram head Adam Mosseri confirmed that the company has been testing a dedicated dislike button for the platform. Some of you may have seen that we're testing a new button next to comments on Instagram. This gives people a private way to signal that they don't feel good about that particular comment. Mosseri noted that the comments will not display a dislike count and users' dislikes will remain anonymous. He also mentioned that the feature could eventually be used to rank comments, with disliked comments appearing lower in the comments section. The dedicated dislike button will allow users to privately indicate that they find a comment unhelpful or irrelevant. Currently being tested with a small group of users, the feature, if successful, could help create a more positive and engaging comment section on Instagram. Notably, the social media giant Reddit has had a similar downvote mechanism for many years, using it to sort comments based on user feedback.